Good morning. It is Monday. It feels like Monday. It's like kind of gloomy outside. This guy is ready to get up. Man, doesn't look as bad today. So that's good. Not as much cleanup to do. Okay. Let's get it going. Monday, Monday. Monday, Monday. Monday, Monday. He hates it. Let's make the bed. Magic. Alright, now let's do magic coffee. Just like that. So it's a little bit later. Taking Sammy out for a little walk here, stretch our legs. But I think we're gonna go check out this diner here in Redondo called Eat at Joe's. Grab some breakfast real quick, and every once in a while I try new little restaurants and eateries along the way. Alright, we're gonna do it. Let's eat at Joe's. Alright, nice little patio spot. I was just kind of like peeking at their menu, and the prices actually don't look too bad. Alright, what do we got here?
Honey, you ready?
Sure. Can I just get a coffee to start? And then, is this kind of a smaller sandwich?
Yeah, you know, like an egg McMuffin?
Yeah, it's one
You
of those.
want one or two?
I think I'm gonna do one, but I also want to do a pancake as well.
Okay, yeah,
So I
one
think-
pancake.
Yeah, I'll just do that.
Okay, that's good. That'll work.
Coffee.
Wait, what's this?
Pretty good. Here's the water. Oh, ice water even. Thank you so much. All right, so the food has come. And they have the good stuff. Yes. I love breakfast food. I love local diners and friendly people. That's what we got here. And you saw. We can lay down. Sam is so excited right now. This pancake, so good. I haven't had a pancake in a long time. Like a local pancake. All right, so we are back at the van. I took some of those potatoes to go. Delicious. And they even gave me a little to-go coffee. Yay. If you're ever in Redondo Beach, I highly recommend checking out the Eat at Joe's Diner. We both had a good experience there. Really cool spot here in Redondo's. But for now, I need to go on a little mission, actually. There's a package I need to pick up in Torrance, which is only like a couple miles away. So I think instead of driving there and giving up this spot that I have, since my friends live right over here, I don't really want to lose my spot since I'm going to meet up with them later here. I think what I'm going to do is take the one wheel out and go grab this package from this postal place, which is only a couple miles away. So it's like a bike ride / one wheel ride away. So let's go do that. I'll be right back, okay? So much better than driving here. That's all we got. So. All right. Are you good boy? Yeah, and for those of you wondering what the package that I rode mile and a half to go get. Little outfit for lightning in a bottle. And if you want to see me wear this outfit, you're gonna have to stay tuned because I'm gonna save that for the lightning in a bottle videos. So come back. So I'm gonna enjoy my afternoon coffee, get some work done. All right, as you can see, we are in motion right now. Something I've been putting off for a little bit, which I'm finally getting done, is rotating these tires on the van, and hoping that's all I'm doing today. I'm not sure. I replaced the back 2 tires last year when I had a little situation, flat blowout with one of them. He said it should be fine as long as it's not too heavy. They have a maximum capacity weight limit of 8,000, and I should probably know the weight of my van, and I don't after the build out, so fingers crossed it's all. All right, so here we are. We'll see what happens. I mean, I've had them done before by Firestone, but not this one.
Yeah.
Any
So I know the one on Manhattan, those they have the higher ones.
see, or
You don't want to call them, just tell them that it's 88,900 pounds.
I have like a van build in there, so there's not definitely weight in there beyond that.
But you should be fine because
Okay.
they shot like 10,000.
Oh yeah, appreciate it. Thanks again. Yeah. All right, so off across, buddy. So I've called around a couple different Firestones. I found one in Gardena, which is like 20 minutes away, but I can go tomorrow morning first thing. He said earlier the better, so I'm gonna do that. He said they deal with Amazon vans all the time, like the big ones, so we're gonna do that tomorrow. Stay tuned on the whole tire rotation situation. All right, guys, it is a little bit later. I've gotten quite a bit of work done today. Not much, just kind of like had a good work session there, and I think we're gonna go stealth camp right outside of the tire place tomorrow. I don't want to like have to like fight traffic or get over there, so I'm just gonna like park up there overnight and just like wake up basically right outside their lot tomorrow. So that is the plan right now. So I'm gonna go over and have some dinner with some friends of mine here in Redondo. That's the plan. I will check in with you guys here in a little bit, and we'll go from there. Come out.
He just sits like this.
The legs.
Yeah.
Dory. Hi, Dory.
Yeah, he was
5
like
months, maybe?
Yeah, he was like 5 months.
I would say.
Little teenager. Yes, about a boy. Okay. You're being so good, yes. Thank you for
He
chilling.
just wanted to be included.
Thank you.
Size, what the fuck? We are currently vanless right now because I'm having my tires rotated. So that's where we're at. We're just down the road from there. They're gonna text me when it's done. For now, I figured I'd get some breakfast and coffee. I was desperately needing some coffee this morning. Fingers crossed I don't need to buy new tires today, but I'm not sure. The front ones do look a little worn, but the question is how worn. I'm sure they're gonna try to sell me something, but yeah, they're gonna do a free brake check as well. So they were doing an offer, so I'll let you know. Alright, so the van is up on the lift, and it definitely needs some more stuff than just tires rotated. It needs new brake pads, apparently, and flushing the brake fluid or something. And what do you think? I had a feeling it was going to be more than just a tire rotation, because I haven't been in for a while, and I drive a lot. So what ended up happening was my brake pads were really worn, and the sensor was broke, and like it didn't tell me on my van, which is really that is pretty odd, I guess, for it not to like trip the sensor. But the front, one of the front ones and one of the back ones were like really bad, and I think they all just needed replaced anyway. So he replaced the brake pads, and They rotated my tires. Don't need new tires, thankfully, yet, but the 2 back ones, which were the front ones, are pretty worn down. So a couple new tires I'm probably going to need by the end of the year. So that was to be expected. And they did an oil change and flushed the brake fluid. So $800 later. Oof. Not cheap, y'all. Maintenance, but I don't do it very often, so, and we do drive all the time, so it's good to have everything up to date now for the most part. And 3 hours later, $800 later, we're getting out of here. Alright, so we just made it to the USC campus where my Amazon packages are. And we got pretty lucky with a meter that is good for another 40 minutes. So I'm going to go pick up what I can. There's still a couple that need delivered. So I'm going to have to just chill here for a minute. But we got 40 minutes, thankfully. Right back, Sam. And so yeah, let's go see how many boxes I have to carry back. Because I kind of ordered a lot for this festival and some gear that I have. Primarily how I get my packages is through Amazon and pick up the lockers or counters. It's pretty handy for someone that travels that doesn't have like a permanent address necessarily. So, so anyway, there's unicyclists. I have to show you the stuff you see. All right, I have got my packages picked up. There was a lot. Got them pretty much unpackaged. Just some stuff for LAB, the festival. All right, but for now, I'm actually gonna go visit my other friends here in LA. Since I'm pretty close by where they're at the Brewery Art Lofts. I have some friends that live there. I want to go stop by and say hi to them while I am in the area. And then later tonight, we're gonna head down to where I'm gonna drop Sam off tomorrow for the festival. So he's gonna have his own little vacation while I'm away, and it's gonna be a little sad dropping him off, honestly, but we'll get it done.
$3.95 all the way up.
I really love it. I mean, because all the backpacking I did when I was younger was all on that stretch in the Sierras. So Eastern Sierras. One of those towns has trailheads going up into those mountains that are just amazing.
It's crazy how it just like gets bigger and bigger, and snow, and then more snow, and then more snow.
And then it goes like when the mountain range goes up through Montana, and it gets very even to Glacier. It's in Tahoe wilderness.
Like Truckee.
It's crazy up in there too. You know?
All right, so we have reconnected with the nomad parents, Mark and Giselle. I'm gonna get Sam out. We're just gonna visit our friends for a while and just chill here, maybe take a shower, do laundry. It's kind of like a safe haven for us in LA, so we're gonna do that. And then before we get on our way down to Paris, California, where I'm dropping this boy off.
I know, but you're gonna know.
Wait, were you guys like louder than you thought you were?
That's how it went. Not the other way.
Both of them at once?
He did. I was like, Sam, high five, and he was like,
He's like, I know, I remember.
I'm so tired. If you don't have nothing to give me, I don't have time.
He's like, I don't got energy for you.
I was like, all right, we're done. We're done.
It's like, are we still here, Dad? All right, good morning. It is the next day, the day of the festival. It's Wednesday. We drove down last night, sort of late, down to this area where I'm dropping Sam off, which was like an hour away from where I was visiting my friends, like near the middle of LA. So, yeah, we got in last night and we just kind of stealth camped. Just parked by some apartments. It was quiet. Got some much needed sleep. It's like 6:45, but I need to go to Planet Fitness and shower for sure. And then Sam yesterday broke his dog leash when we were at our friend's house. It was from Amazon, and it was like he pulled the metal part, like that clips to his collar. He like somehow broke that. Just gotta get a new dog leash now before I go take him to the sitters. And that's the other thing, is I need to pack his food and get it ready. So I have to, like, you know, make sure he's got enough food. And then I'm planning on dropping him off here in like an hour and a half. So we're gonna go do that. That is the plan. We're gonna get to it. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here, and then yeah, the next one will pick up where this leaves off. So stay tuned for my lightning in a bottle experience, and I can't wait to show you what all happens, what all goes down. Yeah, take you along and see what it's all about out here. So that's gonna do it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't, please consider subscribing for more travel and lifestyle content from me and Sam, and we will see you guys in the next video.